So, it's all about layers in the network, ma'am.
These layers are actually tilted up to make a 7-tiered layer. The first is the physical layer. It deals with network design and hardware, such as physical cables, network interface cards, and wireless radios, beside other electronic devices. Encoding of bits in the medium is also decided by this layer. Finally, the transfer of each bit of data is responsibility of this layer. Then comes the data link layer. Encoding and decoding of data packets into bits is done at this layer, and the packets are provided reliable transmission by using the services of the physical layer, which is responsible for transmitting bits over the medium. The next is network layer. Just like a traffic policeman, the basic functions of network layer are routed and control on congestion. It deals with deciding how the packets will be routed from source to destination. The word routing means the route taken or how the transfer will take place. After that is the function of the transport layer. To know how the transport layer works, let us consider the data as the domestic load, which has to be transported from one place to another. Like at home, we first need to prepare the bulk of load into small manageable packets. Each packet requires to be marked with the necessary details at its both ends, such as to what is it and where is it headed to. Transport layer provides transfer of data between the end systems or hosts transparently, and it ensures data transfer is completed. In essence, data is broken down and packets are made and ensured that the data arrives free of any errors, and then it is finally correctly reassembled. Now comes the session layer. Just when you log in for a session, this layer primarily deals with the sessions, which includes establishing and maintaining a session. Sometimes a session breaks, but when it is reconnected, the session starts from the same place where it was broken up. After that is the presentation layer. As you might know, that data can be sent in different formats by different sources, which makes it difficult for computers to communicate. Presentation layer encodes the data in a standard network format and the vice versa. This layer is concerned with the syntax and semantics of the information transmitted. The seventh layer is the application layer. The application protocols meant for getting access to the network are part of this layer. There are several such protocols which function in the application layer. For example, commonly used protocol for web browsing is HTTP, and for file transfer, it is FTP.
So this is how the internet is protected from intruders, Nandita ma'am?
Yes, Rajesh. However, also need to know about the protocols in the application layer. Let me explain.